Hi everyone, this is Rishima Jaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. Diwali is around the corner and so many sweets are being prepared in every home. And I decided to contribute to these festivities in my own way. So I've decided to add a modern twist to a traditional recipe. I've put in a lot of research to make this the simplest recipe that you can find. So I'm making Rabdi Malpua. Let's get on with the video. The ingredients are chopped almonds, roasted and peeled peanuts, bread cut in circles, sugar, condensed milk mixed with coconut oil, butter and some milk. So I'll be refrigerating this. So now we're going to be toasting our bread to make our malpua. So this is the most exciting part for me. We'll be making Butterscotch Chikki. So now the assembling part. We've got our chicky crumble here. Just gonna put all over. And now the big pieces. Okay. So this is our final product. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna try it. Please try out this recipe before I finish it off, and please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Bye bye and happy Diwali to you and your families.